Well, guys, here's just a little spoiler, an idea what's going on here at the Off-Grid Homestead in case we lose internet. It is whiteout conditions out there. I know the window is a little bit blurred. Let me see if I can get past. There you go. It let up a little bit. It was so bad I couldn't see those trees, but you can see the wind blowing the snow around powerfully. The depth of the snow, you can't see the solar panels anymore. This is just a little update. I'll show you what's going on here at the homestead today. We are in a true blizzard situation here. And again, they expect that we most likely, well, not we, but people in the area will most likely lose power. This is just 10:30 in the morning, I think, and this is just the beginning of the storms. So we've got about a foot of snow, over a foot of snow already, which is already the worst snowstorm this year, and probably going to be the worst that I've seen in many years, or actually since I've ever lived here at this homestead. So just wanted to show you this. We are truly in the middle of a blizzard, and at times you can't even see the edge of the garden. So pretty exciting stuff, but we are prepared. We are settled in. We have firewood. We have water, food, and shelter, and the house is cozy and warm. You don't even hear the wind blasting around from inside the tiny house on wheels. So there you go, guys. Update at the Off-Grid Homestead in the big blizzard of 2017. Talk to you guys later.